Hi John, I want to show you what we have been doing for other customer. This is the first time, the first cam that we did for you, and this is the one that you just sent. Now I noticed that the hole is exactly the same, so the adapter is for the same lock. So what I wanted to show you is what we made for other people. We call these cam adapters, these two, and they might look alike, but they're actually slightly different. And this is the 8x8, this is a 9x9. What we did is, if you make, let's say you put this one on the wrong one, you can't actually fit it in. It's actually a little slightly too big. But if you put it with the right one, just kind of imagine putting this on, then screw the camlock to it, and now you have effectively made it compatible with special cams. Similarly, this is the smaller one, and you could put it in. And imagine the screw will actually holds it, so you won't have any issues. So the thing is, rather than making each individual, say there's 10 of them on different machines, rather than making one by one each one and paying all the tooling costs for it, we just pay the tooling cost for an adapter like this, and we make it. Now the cost of these, depending on how many we make, is goes from something like 90 cents to all the way down to, like, the most common one that we made with high quantity is something like 40 cents. So it's much better than thinking that we can make it for all. We just make the tooling for this, and so we could use this cam on any of our lock, which is standardized. So I wanted to kind of explain that to you before we actually head over, because I'm pretty sure that Mr. Mori will want to kind of think of the idea, and once we have this, I will definitely go visit you guys. Thank you.